trying to install Windows 11, but stuck at the Microsoft account sign-in screen? In this video, I'll show you the latest and easiest way to bypass that restriction using a hidden command. No tools, no downloads, just one simple trick that still works in 2025. When installing Windows 11 Home or Pro, Microsoft now requires you to connect to the internet and sign in with a Microsoft account. There's no clear way to create a local account unless you're connected online. But there's a hidden workaround. Bypass NRO, originally referred to third-party tools that skipped network requirements. But in 2025, there's now a simpler, cleaner method built right into Windows setup itself. Here is how to do it. When you reach the Microsoft account or network setup screen, press Shift and F10 on your keyboard. This will open a hidden command prompt window. In that window, type the following command exactly as shown. Start ms-cxh localonly. Then press Enter on your keyboard. In just a moment, Windows will automatically skip the online account requirement and take you straight to the local account creation screen. Simple and effective. Here you have to type your name and click Next. Once the setup continues, you'll first see the Getting Things Ready for You screen. After that, your PC will restart a few times and show messages like Working on Updates and Restarting. When it's all done, you'll be taken straight into privacy settings like usual. Feel free to turn off the privacy options, as they aren't necessary for this setup. Once you are done, just click on Accept. This command takes advantage of a hidden configuration hook in the setup process, originally intended for testing. Microsoft hasn't patched it yet, so it's currently the easiest and cleanest way to set up a PC offline. If this trick saved you time, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense Windows tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching.